Then only I'll be able to continue with another part of this document and the another document also. Now, content of research report, that is what are basically the points on which you have to include while writing your research report. So, these points are preliminary part, that is your cover. First thing is you have to you have to prepare a cover page for your research. Then you have to decide a title. You have to write a preface, that is a pre-information about your, or a brief information about your topic which you have selected and what exactly you are going to write. A brief of your content. Then you have to write the acknowledgement. You have to point out your guide, supervisor, or the person whose paper you are taking for the research. Then table of content, graph and tables. Table of content, graph and tables will be there only when this will be there only when you are researching on a thesis or a bigger work like dissertation. But if you are making a report on research paper or report writing, these parts will not be there. Then next you have to write down an introduction, what the topic is all about, what you are going to do, that is also a part of introduction. Then you have to give the background of the study, that what kind of study you have done and the research paper you have explored or you have reviewed for the report writing, what exactly that research paper is all about or the research work is all about. Then you have to talk about research problem and brief outline of the chapters which are included in the research work. Then you have to talk about review of literature, book, article, journal, papers, websites, whatever the person has or the scholar has referred for doing his research. You have to give a comment and analysis of that. Then a broad conclusion and indication for further research. You have to share your views that how useful the particular research is when a future researcher, a future scholar will be there to give his conclusion or doing his research, how fruitful the particular research work will be. So you have to generate a research report about the review of literature being done by the particular scholar. Then you have to comment also about the research methodology opted by the research scholar, that what kind of research methodology he has opted, what are the ways he has used for adopting, for collecting the data, for taking the survey and other thing, and these are useful or not, or will there can there be some other ways to collect the particular data or the surveys. So now you have to talk about results. That is, pilot study is a fast forward study. In that you have to go through about the hypothesis, data analysis, table and figure analysis, data processing, and all. You have to make an comment or report on the data collection. After data collection, you have to make the report about data analysis, that how the particular data which is being collected by the scholar is analyzed and explained in the research work, whether it is well explained, whether he used the data in a proper way or not. It can be used in a better way, he used in a best way. So whatever is your observation, you have to write about it. Then in the conclusion part, you have to talk about your findings of the research work, the conclusion written by the scholar. You have to make comment on that. What are the shortcomings of the research work? What are the problems of the research work? Basically, what the research work is lacking in, and what are the great things about the research work. Everything should be there. Then, whatever shortcomings are there in the research work, you have to give suggestion for the improvement of the research work. Then, next is direction for further research. If the particular scholar is doing if the particular scholar is going to do another research, what kind of thing he has to keep in his mind while doing the research. Yes, Devendra. No. You cannot prepare the research report of your own. Someone else will prepare your research report, and you can be asked to prepare some other report of research work. But some other research work can be given to you, and you will be asked to create a research report of that. हाँ, some other person will prepare the report, you cannot prepare your own research report. आप अपनी ही रिसर्च को कैसे एनालिसिस करोगे? आप अपने तरीके से तो सही जा रहे हो ना. यू वोंट बी राइटिंग एनी नेगेटिव पॉइंट अबाउट योर रिसर्च. आप थोड़ी लिखेंगे. आपके जो सुपरवाइजर्स होंगे एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल, दे विल क्रिएट अ रिसर्च रिपोर्ट ऑफ योर रिसर्च वर्क. वो लोग क्रिएट करेंगे ना. और सीधी सी बात है, कोई और अगर ऑनलाइन रीडिंग कर रहा है तो वो हो सकता है आपकी रिसर्च के बारे में पूरा पढ़े, उसका बैकग्राउंड पढ़े और उसकी रिपोर्ट तैयार करे. तो आप लोगों के लिए मेरा भी एक सजेशन है, व्हेन यू हैव ऑलरेडी, आई होप दैट यू ऑल मस्ट हैव स्टार्टेड योर preparation for the further step, that is compiling your synopsis for the first year. So you all must be doing the review of literature. आप लोग अपने टॉपिक या अपने एरिया को अब तक चूज कर चुके होंगे, आई होप. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव फाइनलाइज योर रिसर्च एरियाज? टेंटेटिवली कुछ सजेस्ट करा, कुछ डिसाइड करा है कि यस दैट कैन बी माय रिसर्च एरिया? टेंटेटिवली इफ यू हैव यस लिखा? यस मैम. ओके ओके, मतलब many of you have decided कि yes we can go with this topic, right? So you must have started reading the literature related to the particular topic. Then what have you exactly decided? हमने जो सोचा वही लिखेंगे ना मैडम. नहीं, आपने जो सोचा, आपने सोचा कैसे? आपने पहले उसके बारे में कहीं तो कुछ पढ़ा होगा ना, तभी. यस, हाँ, वही करना होता है. फर्स्ट स्टेप वही होती है कि आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है उससे रिलेटेड कुछ एक पेपर्स पढ़ो, तब आपको ये समझ में आएगा जो एरिया मैं सोच रहा हूँ या सोच रही हूँ टू गो फॉर देयर फर्दर रिसर्च, वेदर इट विल वर्क और इट विल बी अ राइट सिलेक्शन और अ रॉन्ग सिलेक्शन. आप कैसे अपने टॉपिक को जस्टिफाई करोगे इफ यू डोंट हैव मच नॉलेज अबाउट इट? सिर्फ आपने सोचा और आपने कर लिया, ऐसे नहीं ना. एक बार थोड़ा सा देखो उस पर कितना वर्क हो रखा है. अगर उसमें बहुत ज्यादा काम हो रखा है तो फिर व्हाट न्यू यू विल फाइंड, दैट शुड बी स्पेसिफाई इन योर माइंड कि नो, आई वांट टू वर्क इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट सच काइंड ऑफ फैक्ट्स अबाउट माय टॉपिक. तब तो इट्स गुड, अदरवाइज you can be in trouble. So you have to start the literature already published on your topics. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. While writing this to you.
Yeah, I have seen. Yeah, I have seen that. I have seen Lekha.
That time
Yes, that is one. That is the actual way to start creating your researches. Okay. Yeah. The particular website cannot be there. See, there is no particular website where people used to upload the reports. No, there cannot be any such website. What you have to do, you have to, like, what is your subject? Acha, English literature, no? So write like what you are going to decide or what you have thought you are going to do research upon. Have you decided anything? Oh, you want to write a research upon Shakespeare? Very tough job, because already more than thousands of research are already available. I don't know what new you will be able to find. Okay, and I don't know, because it's become very difficult to get it approved. Shakespeare, Milton, ये ऐसे writers हैं जिन पे it's very hard to get approval for that. Anyways, अगर आप शेक्सपियर पे कर रहे हो, जैसे कि if you have chosen, एक मिनट ममता, just wait, I am taking you. Like if you Shakespeare's poisons, ठीक है, you have chosen a topic Shakespeare's poison, right, Shakespeare's poison in such and such drama you have done. Then you have to find out like research report on Shakespeare's poison. You will get the researches along with their reports on the particular topic. This is how you all have to find out. Got it, everyone? Yeah, because there is no other way to find the research reports related to your topics. Yes, Mamta, now you can tell me that what do you want to ask? Yes, not an issue, because you have to submit your research proposal first, then only they will allot you a guide and allot you an enrollment number and everything. If they don't accept your synopsis or research proposal for the first hand, like it will be having mistakes or the compilation structure is not good, your topic cannot be acceptable or something. Is there any issue they find, they will put it for editing, but at least your roll number and enrollment number will be given to you. Yeah, that's right. Actually, our university was also doing the same way before, but now they are following the UGC norm and the way how government universities also do. They also ask for the research proposal first, then they used to allot the guides or supervisor to the candidates according to their research interest.
I'm sorry for this.
हाँ तो maybe they must be taking some kind of decision because it is a common problem of all the students that we cannot write a synopsis without any guidance. So maybe they must be taking any decision and they will allot you a guide before your examination under whose guidance you will be able to proceed first for the synopsis and then maybe they will conduct the exam because it is all management thing na.
Initially,
Hmm.
and initially,
See, actually, no, no, sir,
we have to submit our
actually,
on our own.
that is the procedure, but the any of the government university, if you will ask any of the student or your colleagues or anyone who have done PhD or are doing PhD, so they will give you the same idea that first you have to submit your research proposal at least. In that way, the committee used to get your research interest, then the committee and your research guides of the same subject used to decide that in which direction the student can be taken and who will take it. This is a very common procedure and this is the ideal procedure. You can say it's a normal thing when when I joined my research back in 2013, not with this university, first I was doing it with JNU Delhi. So the same procedure I have went through. I have to first submit my research proposal, then they approved it or they have taken it. According to that only my guide was being allotted.
For the all the
Yes.
UGC.
Up now because they are also looking for NARC approval and all, so maybe they started following the same procedure.
We
Yeah.
have,
Yeah, it is logical also. Now, first you have to see the interest of the student. Otherwise, पहले क्या होता था? They used to ask for the what happens with me in JNU. They used to ask for the research proposal, but they didn't consider it. When the guide was allotted to me, he started poking his nose into it. He started asking me that no, you have to do a research according to me, and you have to change your research topic. I cannot take you into that. But first, he accepted the topic, and then I was allotted to him. Then he said, no, I'm not going to do on that. You have to do a research on according to me. He changed my complete topic and he asked me to prepare a synopsis on that. And he asked me to attend the coursework classes meanwhile. Nothing has happened. It became 1.5 years I spent there. Nothing has happened. Only a few coursework classes I have attended because after that teachers were not there. Sometimes it's holiday, sometimes students are not ready. A few students are sitting in one class and it become 1.5 years went like that only. There is no selection of particular topic. Again and again I was going to my guide, sir, please guide me. What kind of area you have actually finalized? What is your topic on what I have to research and make a synopsis? I will tell you. That's it. Ultimately, I took admission in SVU and I started my research with my guide who is a teacher in Delhi University. So, this is the true story. Yes.
See the basic. You must be have a research scholar.
Yeah, definitely.
Know the very
Yes.
basics. Where we
Yes, research scholar. Your supervisor that how to conduct research on particular area, you can take a supervision or guidance from your guide. But a guide cannot be a deciding factor for your research. Yes. And that I have faced obviously because my I don't want to take the name of the person who was my guide in JNU, but he asked me to do a research on his books. He want me to do a research on him. And yeah, no one has done research on me. I have published 3 books. You can do a research on me. I go, what? I don't have any interest in you. How come? No, why not? I go, okay, sir, I'll read them. And I did it and ultimately I quit.
It has happened.
Yeah.
The reason the guide will
Yes.
maybe there are some will be able to help in that way. And he wants the
Actually,
research scholar to follow that.
in government
So that he
uni,
can-
yeah,
So
actually,
there's
Ye- that's true, but what happens in government universities, na, they don't bother about the interest of scholars. Their main factor and their main interest is more important because they don't bother whether you do a research or not. In such kind of universities which you have enrolled with, they bother about the student that they should not get any kind of problem, and they will ask their guides that you have to support the student. They don't ask you to take a guidance and follow the instruction by guide, but they ask their guides to support the students. Because I am also a research supervisor in English department there in the same university, they have the instruction with me, also same instruction is given to me that you have to support your students in every kind of subject. You have to do the equal labor with them. We are doing it. Yes, we are doing it. We are supporting their interest. Yes, Ibrahim. Yes, tell me. Yes. After the coursework, you have to proceed with your researches, and what I get to know is you were asked to submit a research proposal or synopsis before your exam, but now your colleagues are saying that they have asked you to submit a like research proposal, to submit a research proposal after your exam, right? So this is the procedure. I even don't know. You have to talk to your counselor that what is going in the what exactly is going in university, what they are up to, and what kind of decision they are taking, whether you have to submit the proposal or not. You can talk to the counselor. They will let you talk to some of the supervisor also. Just ask them that I am little bit confused. You can then ask your any of the supervisor to, just arrange a call for me with any of the supervisors so that I can have a direction to make a synopsis. Okay. Just talk to them and they will. Any other questions? Fine then. This was the procedure what they were following. So if they are dealing with now, then it is beneficial for you. Okay. Now let's start on the another part. Now if I talk about these, what I have written here, preliminary part or introduction. These points are being elaborated here in the another part. Then after bibliography, what is the significance of writing a research report? Your next topic, that is, what is the significance of writing a research report? Why we are writing a research report and what kind of research report one should create? That is the topic which I am going to deal with, that because I am dealing with two topics today. So one is being revised with you and second is significance of report writing. So significance ke andar we have to see that how significant or how important a research report writing is. Basically, it is important for the communication medium of organization. Organization who are taking a research work, it is important for them to take the reports also along with that. So whenever you are writing a research and you are submitting it to a institute, they used to give it to the expert and they used to create a report about it. Okay, reports they used to take from outside. Now the most crucial founding might have come through a research report, and report is common to academics and managers also. Reports are used for comprehensive and applied learning in academics. In organization, reports are used for the basic decision. So when a research report is being given to the students or is being submitted to an institution, it will be easier for them to make a decision that whether the research is of some kind of worth or not, whether the research is good or not, what is to be done with the research, or whether to take it, or some kind of addition is what is the scope of particular research. So everything is being included, and this is helpful for everyone whosoever is going to consult with the research in future. It is important for them, and it is important for even those who are going to deal with it in now. ओके जो अभी या फ्यूचर में जो भी स्कॉलर इसको रीड करेंगे उन सबके लिए ये रिपोर्ट एग्जैक्टली एक रिव्यू की तरह काम करती है, विच विल गिव यू एन आइडिया दैट वेदर द पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च वर्क इज ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ यूज और नॉट. Now, through research reports, a manager or an executive can quickly get an idea of current scenario, which improves his information base for making and decision affecting future operations for the company or entity. So, if it is not academic and it is a research report is being prepared in a management institution, then the management can take a decision about the enterprise or the company, that whether the particular report or particular research work or the idea which is being presented for the growth of the company is of any use. So there are two types of research. First is managerial and second is academic. Okay, have you get it that what kind of research reports are there and how significant it is for the scholars or for decision? Understood?
In this researcher
Extra also you have to give. Now it's not only the bibliography which a research scholar has used. You cannot just sustain to that. You have to use other sources also to gather information. Then only you will vote or to criticize the report. Yeah. Now, quality of a good report. What is the quality of a good report? Report writing is a highly skilled job. The process of analyzing, understanding, consolidating the findings and projecting the meaningful review for the phenomenal study. So obviously there are some rules to be followed or to prepare a good research report. Now, first is research report essential documents have a title, heading, subheading, paragraph arranged in a logic. It's not key first you have started with something and then the flow is being broken. No, that should be very lucid in the arrangement and the flow should be proper so that it will be easily understood to the people whosoever is reading the research. Second, it should include everything that is relevant and exclude everything. You don't have to think irrelevant thing in that. You have to talk about only relevant thing with your. Second is language of report should be very simple and unambiguous. It should be very appropriate to the topic. It should so that every scholar whosoever is willing to read the report will not get confused and they will be able to understand it properly. Second thing, confusion, pretentiousness and pomposity should be carefully guarded against. You should not make a very hi-fi language or that can confuse the students with the idea. You cannot make a language or use a language which shows more, which can show or through which you are pretending to have a very high scale of knowledge. That is, Pompey means a show off kind of idea should not be there. You don't have to reflect your knowledge. You have to give a proper idea about the report, that what exactly it is, and you have to employ appropriate words, idioms and expressions. Now, the report must be free from grammatical mistakes. Obviously, you cannot afford to errors. The report has to take into consideration two facts. First, for whom the report is meant, किसके लिए लिख रहे हो, why you are writing a research report, that is very important. And secondly, what is the level of knowledge. So you have to see that what is my level of knowledge about the topic, how much labor you have to do if you are making a report on particular topic, right? Got it? Understood what are the good qualities of a report writing? Good. Now next is steps of writing report. We have already done it. What are the steps? Analysis, research outline, preparation of rough draft, writing and polishing, writing the final draft, precautions for writing research report. Now first we have already read it that what are the what are the steps to maintain the quality. The same kind of things are being given here, the precautions. What we should avoid it, that it should belong enough to cover the subject. It should have a proper length which is covering the whole subject matter into it. It's not that you are just talking about the interest area and I have not given the proper analysis of the research work. जो भी रिसर्च वर्क आपने लिया उसका प्रॉपर एनालिसिस होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि थोड़ा बात करके बस अपने कमेंट्स बनाने लग गए. इट शुड नॉट बी डल एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. इट शुड बी सिंपल एंड ल्यूसिड. ठीक है, इट शुड बी सिंपल without the usage of abstract terms or technical jargons. You are not allowed to make rash comments. Now, it should offer ready availability of finding with the help of chart, tables and graph. You have to make the report in such a way that the student or the person whosoever is reading the report will be able to understand it quickly and in a simple way. The layout of the report should be accordance with the objective of the research study. What the scholar has mentioned as the objective of his research study, your layout should be according to that. You cannot make your own way of. There should be no grammatical mistake. Writing should be very perfect in that. Second thing, next thing, it should be original, intellectual and contributing. It's not that you are just going through some other reports already being done on the similar topic and you are copying from that. No, you have to read it, you have to go through the mind of the scholar, what exactly the scholar is going through or is having in his mind, whatever he has represented. You have to understand the mindset of the scholar and then you have to make a report. Next is appendices should be listed. Whatever references you are going through should be there. Whatever publications you are going through should be mentioned. What are your publications before creating this report, that should be mentioned. Your eligibility will be showed by your appendice. Now next, it should be attractive, neat, clean, and whether handwritten or typed, that is okay, but it should be very neat and clean. And next, a report should not have contractions. It means you cannot use the brief words, you are not allowed to abbreviations or like that contractions, but you have to use a proper word without any kind of alter. Next is it is advisable to avoid the use vary. You don't have to go in any kind of exaggeration of presentation of idea. You have to present your idea in a simple way, whether it is good or bad, but very good, very bad, no such kind of words should be used. Try to avoid all this. Then repetition hamper lucidity. Repetition should not be there. Once you have written your views about the research report or the topic, you don't have to repeat it again and again while making comments. You have just made it. Then include your comment about other parts of the research. You don't have to use even possessive nouns in your research. If you are using this and these, just make sure what exactly you are referring. Matlab, if you are referring pronouns, this and these means if you are referring pronouns or writing pronouns, then you should see that whether it is indicating the right idea or not. And while giving a respect, or if you are you want to write a respectful word for a singular person, you cannot use, you have to use Mr. or honorable or something, but you cannot use they. Like people used to make such kind of mistake. But now types of research writing, there are not much classifications are there, but only one is technical writing. Like if someone has presented a project or an assignment and you are making a report on that, simple, it is technical. And second is popular report, which we are reading, that is academic or research. There are only two types of report are there, popular report and technical report. Okay, and technical report will also consider all these points which we have read before. There is no change in the construction. Now, classification on the basis of presentation, there are written report and oral report. That's it. This is your complete documents which I have completed today. So, is there any doubt from the idea which I have presented, particular topic? Then you can ask me. Any doubt? Okay. So, the